They're all in line. And they're off. Lord Robin, dead red from the outside. Nakascolo moves up. Not a Claim is now very fast. And there goes Not a Claim to stick a nose in front. It's Not a Claim with Lord Robin showing a lot of speed this afternoon. Super Whipper now up into third. Dead red, Mr. Silver, Hollywood left, Nakascolo all about 3.5 lengths off the lead. The trailers Dirty Mo Posse and Night in Flight as they make their way into the far turn right now. Lord Robin has gotten the lead going into the turn. It's Lord Robin now in front. Not a Claim's going to have to do better from the inside. Dead Red runs along in third in front of Mr. Silver. Nakascolo is tipping out for the drive, but it's Lord Robin and Manny Aguilar who are in front as they straighten away. Lord Robin getting away now from Not a Claim. Lord Robin strongly down the center of the course. Not a Claim is there. Nakascolo flying on the outside, but Lord Robin was best today, and Lord Robin takes the reappeal. Not a Claim second, Nakascolo and Dead Red.